Hello everybody, in today's video I will be showing you how to delete mapmyrun account. First, you should have the account. To do so, just simply go to the App Store on it, and here you will find the search bar and search for the mapmyrun. And then all you have to do is to download the app and then just open it. And at first, if it is your first time using the app, it will require you or demand to log in or sign up in with an account to the app. After you sign in, all you have to do is to go to the settings, not these ones, because those are just some workout setups. So we will be going to the 3 points in this menu at the bottom. We'll be going to the 3 points 3 point options. In here, you can find profiles, and we are not interested in this one because those are just some personal information, and not going to the settings because those are just application settings and not the account settings. So all you have to do is to go to the privacy center here, and as you can see there is a little menu here that will redirect you in some choices. So as you can see, there is the delete account option. I'm going to click on delete account, and you should put or type your password to confirm that you want to delete your account. And of course, this will delete all your progress and all your informations and data of the applications. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.